Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn new lesson, that is a synopsis, the Swiss Family Robinson. So first of all, you may be thinking, what is the synopsis? Synopsis means the outline of the novel. Okay, so there are so many types of novels. Some are the true stories, some are not the true stories. So like for example, it is not a true story, it is just a novel. So this novel will be the family of Robinson. It is about the Swiss family of Robinson. So this lesson we are going to start now. The Swiss family Robinson is a well-known adventure novel that people of many countries have enjoyed for more than 200 years, and it has also been made into graphic novels and a film also. Okay, so this novel is very popular, and that time this novel is published in so many countries, and so many countries people are enjoy this novel. So it is a graphic novel and it is a film also. So the novel written by the Swiss clergyman Johann David West is not just the adventure, it aims at teaching young people values like self-reliance. Self-reliance means intelligent and determination. Then love for your family, cooperation, prudent and use of resources. Prudent means whatever is available in that particular time that you have to utilize. That is called the prudent. And it also has a good lesson relevant in natural science, good husbandry and even the mathematics. So this lesson gives you good husbandry, then good mathematics. So some elements of the novel do stretch the reality to the certain extent. Sometimes you find that this novel is not real. Maybe it is like a story. Yes, it is a story, but it is some realistic facts are not there. You cannot find some realistic facts over there. But we must consider that it is a work of fiction and not a fact file. So fact, we already know what is the fact file. Fact file means the true story, and fiction means it is just a story told by someone or it is created by someone. Given below is a synopsis. Synopsis means the outline, basic story, and this is called the synopsis. So what is the synopsis? It is an outline of the basic story. So William, Elizabeth and their children had traveling in a ship, and when ship was caught in a great storm, the other passenger evacuated without them. Means what happened when they were traveling on a ship, then that time William and his family, including the young children, Fritz, Ernest, Jack, Franz, were left to survive alone, and they weathered the great storm betting in a ships. Then the ship survived the night, and the family found themselves within a sight of a tropical desert island. So when full night that ship was traveling on a seashore, and they found in the morning in a one tropical island, that is a deserted island. Then the next morning they decided to get to the island. They could see beyond the reef, because how many times they will travel in the sea, so that they decided to go to that particular island. Then with much efforts they constructed the vessels out of the tub. Vessels means here it means the boat or so small boats like a vessel, and reef means rocks are there. Evacuated means left themselves. Other passenger get down from the ship and they were only remain on the ship. And after that, after they filled the tubes with the food and amenities and all other articles of value they could safely carry, they rowed towards the island. So whatever the needed things they carried from that ship and somehow managed to go to the island. Then afterwards they rowed towards the islands, and the dogs from the ships named Turk and Juno swam beside them. And the ship's cargo of livestock, guns and powder, then carpentry tools, books, a disassembled pennies and province had also survived. So whatever the things they could carry from the ship, they are carried, and some useful things also they carried from the ships. Over the next few days, William, the father, attacked the floatable old gates to the another and built a bow that curved around them. The family had landed successfully on the island. They set up a tent and softened the floor with the armload of a grass, and they cut and they spread to serve as their beds. So somehow they managed to build one house, and they want to make the floor soft, so that they took the grasses over there and spread over the floor, so that the floor could be very soft, so that they can easily sleep over there. They come to the grove of trees, and one tree grew about look like a guard of its trunk. Then the father told Fritz the guard would make an excellent bowls and spoons, and they cut them into the various utensils. So they have cut that tree and they make the utensil, but because as they were started their journey from boat to ship, they were never think about the utensils. But now they want some utensils to make some food, to have some food, so that they make the utensils of that tree wood. Then, after some days, Elizabeth informed William that she wanted the family to move to the safer place, and their current camp was not only exposed but also very dry and hot. If they built a house up in one of the large trees, they would be safe from the jackals. Jackals means the some type of animals over there which are raiding like a mice and rat. Jackals from there. And she described a perfect tree for the project. One whose trunk was nearly 40 feet in diameter, and the branches were very long and extend straight for the structure. Later, when determining the height of the lowest branches, the father taught the boys geometry and how they use triangle to measure big objects. See, in this stage, how the father is educated his son, because there is no school as they were living in a deserted island, and now they are going to build a new tree house, because whatever the house now they are living, it was not good for the winter season, so that they want to build the house, sorry, for the summer season, so they want to build a house which is higher from the ground. And that time father taught geometry to his son, and this is how they can educate their child. Then how we can use triangles to measure a big object that he is trying to uh, educate him. He measured a defined distance from the trunk and then calculated angles using a several major rods, determining that the lowest branches was 30 feet of the ground. So lowest branches is how much is it? 30 feet from the ground. The men knotted a rope on a certain interval and attached the pieces of bamboos in each knot. Thus they created their ladder. So father returned to the beach and collected a driftwood. Drift means the ship was there. No, there are some driftwood is there. So thinking it would be a perfect to build a sledge on runners rather than the wheels. So later they use it to transport the material. Sledge means like wheels. It is like a wheels, and where they can put their materials and they can go easily. Then, meanwhile, Elizabeth announced that the garden she had tending was producing the healthy plants. So, in between, Elizabeth had planted some vegetable in the gardens, and that was the corn. How she had planted over there, how they managed to live over there. That we want to learn from this lesson. And melons, pumpkin, and cucumber were already growing. The next day, only the father and Fritz traveled to the woods, exploring and finding such exotic plants as one with a waxy fruit from which the candle could be made. So, waxy means it could be produced of wax, and because of the wax, we can make the candles. Then they are making the candles with the wax, and Fritz discovered a tree exuding the rubbery sap from which the father claimed that they could make the boots. It is like a rubber, and with the help of that rubbery shape, they can make use a boot. Okay, so like this, somehow they managed to live on that deserted island, and whatever available in that island, they are using. Like they are making the candles over there, they are making the boots over there, thinking ahead of the next winter. Father decided to create a place safe from the element, a strong storage spot to protect themselves from the elements or their belongings. So Fritz came up with the idea of a cave. So in this way, now they have built a second house, and second house is for the summer. First house is okay. They were living over there because it was not too much hot. But afterwards, then when summer is started, they have created or they have made a new houses. That was a tree house, but now the season are changed. Now they will make the winter house. So how they make the winter house, that we will see in the next video. So I hope all of you have understood till now, and now if you have any doubt you can ask me afterwards. Please saw the attachment given with this video. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, take care.